See my days are cold without you. See my days are cold without you.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I've got another hair tutorial for you guys, but this time it's a little bit different to my previous videos on hair tutorials. I usually kind of do a mashup of 4 to 15 hair tutorials, but this time I'm going to be doing one, and I'm actually going to be doing like a step-by-step tutorial, talking you through each step, showing you how super easy it is, and just actually showing you how you can actually create one of my looks, because I know before some of you guys feel like the videos are a little bit sped up, and I just thought I'd really go into depth on a few hairstyles moving forward. So today's look is a beach waves tutorial, but using a twist kind of technique to create the beach waves look. I've done a beach waves tutorial before on here, so I'll pop a link below if you want a different technique. But yeah, let's get going with this one. So things you'll need is, as I said, straighteners. So I've got the GHD Platinum straighteners, and I've also got the Beach Club texture spray from IGK. How amazing is that packaging? It matches my hair. And yeah, that is literally all you need. So to start with, just get your hair into the parting that you desire. I am really loving doing this side parting at the moment. I always get my hair cut in a middle parting, but then I just sweep it over, so then I have the choice. But yeah, so we're going to be grabbing sections of hair like so. And don't worry if it's like a big section or a little section. That it's better if it's a little section, but it can change every time you kind of move around your hair. And we're just going to twist the hair like so, trying to kind of keep it quite tight if you can. And then once you get to the end, I'm going to get the straighteners, which have already been heating up, and I'm just literally going to apply the heat down the whole length of the hair. And then once I've got to the end, I'm going to kind of fold it in half and let it twist back on itself. And I'm just going to twist the hair like this. Get the straighteners again and kind of just apply the heat on that twisted bit of hair. Like so. And then we've got kind of a nice little wave there. So I'm going to do that around the whole of my hair. To be honest, I was going to talk through this bit, but it's going to be boring because it's literally, I'm going to be doing this around the whole of my hair. So I'm going to speed up the video. So I have just twist curled my hair, and I'm about to take out all the bobby pins. I just sectioned this hair, thought it would actually make it easier, and it was. Just get these out my hair. So once you're left with these kind of dreadlocky looking things, you're then going to just grab your fingers and just run them through your hair, just breaking up all of these waves, and then you will reveal your kind of curly hair. It's naughty, it hurts. So as you can see, it was super easy to do. My hair is going a bit static, but the Beach Club spray from IGK will help that. Just give your hair a bit of a zhuzh. And once you're happy with how it looks, we're going to take this spray and we're just going to spray upwards. This just kind of gets volume into the hair, give it a bit of a zhuzh whilst you're spraying. And like, look at it already, it looks amazing. Love this spray. And it doesn't leave your hair feeling like dry or anything. It's really good. I've still got a few curls in here that seem to want to hang together. Let's do this side now. Just, yeah, creates so much volume. And you get this kind of, this just textured, kind of wavy, volumized hairstyle, which is amazing. I really love it. And there's just like such simple steps to create the look as well. And it's just different. Like, I'm so used to creating that kind of large crimped wave that it's just nice to kind of give my hair a more of a beachy wave look, which you can't really get from the UK, because I'm not being funny, but you're not going to find me in the cold sea in the UK. It is horrific. So yeah, so once you've kind of sprayed your texture spray in, you can keep zhuzhing it up with your fingers, and yeah, you're pretty much ready to go. But yeah, as you can see, my hair's got much more volume, it's got a cool wave, it's a bit edgy, it's textured. I much personally prefer kind of messy textured looks compared to like sleek ones. That's just my personal favourite kind of style. Everyone obviously is different. There's not really any way you could make this smooth and sleek, so if you don't like that, then yeah, this hairstyle is not for you. But yeah, I love it, and it's just so easy to create as well. And also guys, I'll pop a link below to this spray because it's so good and it smells amazing. It literally smells like you're on holiday, like coconuts. So yeah, this is the finished look. What do you guys think?
See, my days are cold without you. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on.
Have any of you actually tried that technique before? If so, I would love to hear your thoughts on it. I really enjoyed doing it myself. And yeah, thanks for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I popped links below so you can shop this look. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.